After watching this video, you'll be able to browse on the internet free. Yes, you heard me right. But to make this happen, you need to follow this step I'm about to show you. First step, you need to watch this video to the end without skipping any part of the video. Second step, you need to do anything I'll tell you to do in this video. Third step, boom, you are good to go. Hey guys, my name is David. You can also call me Nirvana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a platform with all your IT solutions. Before you get into the video, please take a few seconds and click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to smash on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. I will also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, so let me prove to you that I have no data bundle on my SIM by checking my data balance. You can see my balance is 0 and my bonus balance is also 0. I think this proof is not enough, so let me go to YouTube and also prove to you that I have no bundle. So let me switch on my data. You can see YouTube is not loading now because I have no bundle. So let me connect a VPN which will let me get access to the internet to show you the application we will be using today. So let me connect this application. Okay, so after you have get access to the internet, just go to Play Store and search for Afeza Socks. You can also search for Afeza VPN and scroll through till you find Afeza Socks. So let's wait while it is loading. Okay, so scroll down till you find Afeza Socks. Okay, here is it. Just click on it. Yours wouldn't appear like this. Just click on install and after that just click on open. So this is how the app looks like. Just click on the airplane logo and choose your country. Just choose MTN 620 megabytes. After that, just choose a server. You can choose any country. So let me choose a random country. But first, let me disconnect the VPN before we come and connect this one. Okay, so after all the setup, just click on connect and wait till it gets connected. Okay, so you can see our VPN has successfully connected. You can add time to get more hours to browse the internet for free. So let's go to YouTube and see if it is now working. Boom! We have get access to the internet through this application. That means it is real. Yeah, you can see. So let me disconnect it and see if it will still work or not. Let me go back to YouTube and reload it. You can see it is not working. That means the app let us get access to the internet. So without the app, you cannot use it. Thank you for watching my video. I'm out.